My name is Don Ziliak, and my husband Don and I own Pastaria Seconda, and Sarefino. So I am not the cook. Don is a great cook. I think his passion for food and cooking definitely comes from his mom. He's really good he could go into our kitchen, at our house and go in the pantry and look at some ingredients and throw together like an amazing sauce. I mean, that's how he cooks. I cook with a recipe. He cooks like that. When he graduated from MBA school, his cousins own a bakery in Chicago called Calabrese, and they really wanted Don to bring the bread to Columbus. So he agreed, and one of the restaurants he sold to, they owed him money for all this bread. And they approached him about taking over Pastaria inside the little Quonset hut. So that was in 1993, and Don agreed to take that as payment. So during that time as well, there was a woman named Linda who owned Sarefino's, the pizza shop. And so she approached Don about buying the pizza shop. And of course, we loved the pizza. And we said, yes, of course, we'll buy the pizza shop. So when in 1996, we moved both of the shops from the Quonset hut to the new North Market that we're in now. And then we also opened Pastaria Seconda with the raviolis and sauces, and there were groceries and a chef's case. And that's kind of the story. So Pastaria is our shop that you come to if you're wanting to eat something hot, basically right now. Pastaria Seconda is our take-home stand, or more of our grocery stand. That has all of our homemade sauces in containers that you can buy, our fresh pastas that you take home and cook, and then all of our raviolis. So it's a great place to stop for dinner for your family. And a lot of people don't even realize that. They'll eat at Pastaria and not even realize they can go to a stand over and get all of the sauces that they love to take home. And then Sarefino's is our pizza shop. So that has all of our, you can come in and get slices of pizza. You can order whole pies, and then you can also order like pizza kits. And if you want to go home and make pizzas with the family, we do that as well. We love the North Market, and I think my favorite part is the customers and the relationships Don and I have built with people. So we have customers that have been coming to us since we were dating in 1993, and who watched us get married, and then literally every kid that we had. People still come in and ask us about all of our kids, and that is definitely what keeps us going. I think that is different in here versus just being at the grocery. We have a relationship with our customers, and I think that's why people shop at the North Market. And then it's just a destination. It's great to be part of history. I mean, this is the historic North Market. Lots of people are too young to know that the North Market was a little Quonset hut in the parking lot, but I mean, it is a historic building, and so that's just really fun to be a part of.